He goes at his own star, Paddy Mills.
This is Mitchell elevating first score of the game for the USA. There from the United States as they come forward. Through Jaylen Brown, inside the paint, there was contact, no whistle provided. Cleaning up his own mess, Miles Turner.
The Australian defence early on.
Good athletic work here, going to the right hand, and Joe Harris opens his scoring account.
He can put the ball on the floor. Even Turner, we saw the last time, could put it on the floor. That's tough to defend as Paddy Mills gets things going for Australia and knocks.
Dellavedova. Baines, back to Dellavedova. Into the paint once more. Goes back to the right-hand side. Here's Landale from close range.
Jock Landale has
A chance now. Jaylen Brown hands over. Elevation came here from Joe Harris, and he knocks down another.
how quick. When you're fighting over the top of the screen.
And here's a chance for Dellavedova. He's got Golding going to work in close range. Couldn't complete it. Eventually, it falls.
We'll take that.
Defender needs support. Got Kuzma in the corner. He fires baseline and fills it up as well.
That is a beautiful.
There was Middleton who's onto the floor. And a chance now. Well, Dellavedova's going solo.
He struggled. 3 of 12 because they actually tipped one in for us.
Tatum, Kuzma top of the key. Baines couldn't get there quickly enough, and Kuzma fills it up.
Turn USA are going about it. Just penetrate the dish, get to the rim, or spread the floor. But Aaron Baines steps.
Struggled from in the post, but he just steps out. This three-point line, let's not forget, compared to the NBA three-point line, it is a hell of a lot closer.
For Middleton to bring the USA back. Outside, Kuzma elevates. So Kuzma is putting on a show. He's 3 of 3 in the... Mills sits down. Australia to restart. Shot clock working down. Give and go. Inside, Dellavedova gets it done as he comes up with Kemba Walker to bring the USA forward. Inside the last minute of the opening term. Walker. Nice finish. Bogut, quick ball movement. Golding trying to shake Tatum. Spins into the paint. Fall away from Golding. Oh, the bottom of the net.
Just opened up for him.
Terrific work from Australia. Have exploded at the start of term number 2 here, and they'll count that as well as Kemba Walker getting USA forward. Took over 2 minutes played term number 2. Walker decides to go solo, and it was a good option.
Particularly when USA on a bit of a run here.
Donovan Mitchell goes solo as well. Almost lost it. Stayed with it. They share the ball around. Tatum fires and comes up with the finishing touches.
Line up on the floor.
A good patch here for Team USA. Harris was bumped by Dellavedova. It goes unwhistled. Tatum in the corner once more. He fills it up. The margin balloons out now.
Since we've seen them play in Australia.
Mills in the corner. Good look.
Against Paddy Mills, he's got about a 6 or 7 inch height advantage.
Middleton from just beyond the foul line comes up with a ring into the paint. Nothing on offer. Goes to Landale. Golding wide open. Yes! To the rebound. Creek to his left. Golding joining in as well. Can he go back to back? Yes, sir!
And that's what he's like.
Match here with Kemba Walker. Looks inside Mills. Does a good job of it. Bogut at the top of the key. Here's Mills now. Away from Middleton. Elevating for the triple. Yes! Hand over for Dellavedova. A sag off him. Baines. Lob pass from close range. Gets the finishing touches. He puts Australia back in.
A big Paddy triple would have got everyone off their seats.
Walker takes on Landale. And comes up the floor. Good screen from Turner. Leads Kemba Walker. Oh, that's pretty to watch.
Yes, it's the pass again.
Rebounds Turner. Australia's got 20 as a team. He's firing from deep as well, and he's got the range to match. Term number 3 from Marvel Stadium in Melbourne. Swift ball movement into the corner for Barnes to come up with his first points in the game. And a 10-0 run from the USA draws a timeout from Andre. Mills gets it from Ingles, looks inside. Landale with a turnaround too. Guarded by Dellavedova. Screen from Turner opens up the floor for Mitchell. He's too good and he knocks it down. He's got 11 the first play. They got down by 12 trying to work their way back into the frame. Here's Kuzma firing. Oh, he's been outstanding tonight. He knocks down another. That's 4 of 5 from
Blair picked. Wide open.
Golding fires with 4 on the shot clock. Needed to get it off, and it's all. Tatum with it once more. That's 7 points, all in that second term, and he adds to the tally now. Forward, Bogut and Plumlee goes behind the back. What a sweet pass! He finds Paddy Mills for the finish.
Footer. What a read.
Mills up to 17 in the game. Well, Mitchell was after that, but he didn't need to be because
their motivation to get off their man, perhaps get a little higher on those on-ball screens.
Tatum, tough shot. Nice soft touch, though. 3 minutes left, term number 3. Well, that's just a little too easy from Kemba Walker.
Wow. More than actual pressure, just thinking the bigs are coming, and Nick Kay short-armed it.
Brown, he elevates, knocks down the 2. The USA lead by 14 here.
Through this bloke and send a message because he is defending me pretty hard at the other end.
Wow, this is a shooting clinic they're putting on.
Dellavedova, baseline. Landau had it stolen away from him, and a chance now for Team USA, and they go forward. And it's hard to stop that sort of work there. Exploring down low, found an opening, and they can't prevent Dellavedova from adding the 2. He's into 14 to lead that category in the game, and with 11 points as well, and he's looking to add to that. Why not?
The pick and roll defense is...
Harris couldn't complete it, gets it back now. Turner got rid of Golding and helps himself to another 2. 15 points the other way. Slow pass, Golding though, ready to fire, fills it up once more. Kemba Walker against Sobey, feeds Plumlee from close range. Well, he pushed off, according to Andrew Bogut. Referees didn't see it.
Wanted someone to pin down and tag his diver.
Oh, that's a nice finish. Takes some anger out, and he's swinging upstairs on the rim there, Andrew Bogut. Give the fans something to cheer about.
Good pose from Mitch Creek too. Good recognition, seeing the big fella straight down the middle for an easy one.
Walker from outside comes up with the goods. 19-point edge. Margin has never been bigger at any stage in the game. Mills cutting hard to the hoop, and again it's a nice find from the big man Andrew Bogut as Mills adds to his tally now with 19.
I'm not sure there's a better big man in the world that plays off that elbow and can find people with that pass.
Oh, nice finish. They says he was fouled. Walker agree.
From a passing standpoint, when he works around the elbows, and when there's some help, dives, gets behind the defense, still got enough bounce in those legs to go in, and here's that passing action. With that size, it's very hard to put any sort of...
And guys have adjusted well to be able to get themselves some easy baskets off that.
We're talking about Australia playing a little bit of zone. That time the United States were playing a little bit of zone. Case.
Oh, how do you like that ball movement? Very good job of being competitive in the first half, but since the major break, it has been one-way traffic as Sobey opens his scoring account.
In a 2-on-1 situation, this is a nightmare for Sobey. Not a whole lot he could have done.